In this video we will learn how to make TikTok video with pictures. So let's begin.
The process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So just go and open your TikTok app. So you need to create your video with the pictures. For that, just go and tap on this plus icon in the bottom middle. You are here, what you need to do is just go and tap on this upload icon at the bottom right, tap on it, and here tap on photos on the top. Now select any number of photos. You can select photos by tapping on these circles on the photos. So I have selected this one, this one, this one, this one. So we have selected multiple photos. Now tap on the slideshow at the top right, and it would take a bit of time processing, and it includes uploading those photos. So here we have. Now you can change your sound from here, and you can select your sound as well as you can change your filters. Now once you have done so, tap on next. Now you can post your video and do your setting as you want. So hope this tutorial has helped you in making your TikTok video with pictures. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.